Davenport is still recovering from this year's record flood. Now a special task force is looking ahead to see how the city can protect itself from the next one. That's tonight's top story at 10. The mayor's flood task force met for the first time today while Public Works removed sandbags from River Drive. The 22-member group is deciding how to change the flood plan. Local 4's Grace Runkle joins us in the studio with that discussion. Grace?
Jim, the first thing Davenport Mayor Frank Klipsch told the group was that nothing is going to happen quickly. Today's meeting was dedicated to looking at the current flood plan and deciding where the priority areas are.
The flood we faced this year, we've never seen before.
New levels of flooding demand a new flood plan for Davenport. It's up to this 22-member flood task force to decide what areas to protect and how.
It does make sense to look at the whole area holistically.
The first step is figuring out priority areas. Two main themes came out of the first meeting: infrastructure and travel.
Critical assets like water pollution control plant, sewers, compost facility, things that are important to keep the entire city running.
For us, keeping River Drive open actually became the priority.
The interstate traffic, so the Centennial and Government Bridge and the approaches are definitely priority one.
The consensus comes from a varied group, including residents, business owners, and engineers. National Weather Service hydrologist Jessica Brooks says that could be the key.
A lot of people thinking differently can provide maybe a really good solution.
But Mayor Frank Klipsch wants to manage expectations. The task force is still far from any final decisions.
We're not going to get done today. We're not going to talk about funding.
That's for future meetings. But Klipsch says the task force does need to move fast. The one thing they can be sure of is more flooding is on the way.
We're just like one big storm system away from having the river come back up. Can't say we're out of it by any means.
Not discussed today was the flood wall. Many residents have been calling for it since the Haskell Barriers broke in April, but the mayor says it will be discussed at the next meeting. In the studio, Grace Runkle, Local 4 News.
Grace, thank you. And the flood task force will meet again on July 23rd. That's from 4 to 5:30 at the Davenport Police Department's Community Group Room. Anyone can go to that.